Today I'm going to walk you through how to install a skill. It's fairly easy to do. We're going to go to Claude AI first. When you open up your Claude, you're going to want to make sure you open up the sidebar so you can see the word customize. When you open up customize, you're going to see at the top, you can add where you can create with Claude, write new skill instructions, or we're going to upload a skill. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to drag over the marketing plan builder skill. Drop it in. Boom. You're going to see that it is already uploaded here. If I click on it, this is where you can read it. You can make changes to it. You can turn it off. If you want to make changes to it, you can edit it with Claude. You can replace it if you have a new revision. You can even download it if you're going to use it somewhere else and you know that you want to take it from Claude to another AI such as ChatGPT. I'm going to show you what you can do when you want to start using the skill. You're going to close out of here. Simply use the /, and this one is called the marketing plan builder. And that's how you call it up. And I could just simply ask, what does this skill do? And it's going to think, it's going to give you an answer. You can ask questions about the skill. Or if you already know, for example, I bet you don't remember the name of it. Just say, I have a marketing plan skill. I don't remember the name of it. And start talking to the AI and say, I want to use it to do A, B, or C. And it's going to know what skill it is automatically. It's simply brilliant. Now, if you're wanting to, you're not really sure about what the skills are called and you want to see them really quickly, if you click the plus sign, you go to skills, you're going to be able to see all of your skills that are installed right here. As you can tell, I have a lot of skills. That's it. That's how you install a skill. Let me show you how you're going to do it inside of ChatGPT. All right, we are inside of ChatGPT, and you're going to want to be, again, on the left-hand side, you're going to see plugins. Click on plugins, and up at the top, you're going to see skills, just like that. All right, and all you're going to do is click the plus sign, upload from your computer. I'm going to simply drag it in, just like so, and the skill is uploaded. Now, when you use them inside of ChatGPT, you do not use the /. You're going to use the @ sign instead. And you see marketing plan builders over here. So if I go to the new chat and I select the @ sign, marketing plan builder, if I start to type it, you're going to see it's going to pop in down below here. And I can just start using it that way. Very, very simple. That's how easy it is to use skills inside of your LLM or your AI tool.